Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia and this is Heart in Hand Creations and Events. Today's DIY will be a beautiful seasonal centerpiece. This centerpiece is part of a set of 10 for a church gala for my client. And here guys, I'm using Mod Podge glue, the foam floral discs, and glitter. I have various colors or, different shades of glitter and texture. I use a generous amount of glue. And that is the result. Isn't that pretty? So here guys, I'm just continuing on with glittering the discs, and I did go back to do the sides after I let the tops of the disc dry for a day, because I did put that glue on pretty thick. And this is the result of the different types of glitter and colors. And actually what I used was gold, silver, chunky gold, chunky silver, which has that pretty sparkly diamond iridescent to it. For the next part of this DIY, I will be decorating these glass vases with diamond wrap to make an angel shape. I used 16 rows of the diamond wrap for the body to create the body shape, but the size of the wings were random. I just eyeballed it. Here I used the diamond wrap to make a triangle shape. I start my first row off with 4 pieces of the diamond, then a row of 5, then a row of 6 and 7, until I was finished with all of the diamond wrap. So you'll see that as I move forward. But yeah guys, this is a tedious craft, but as long as my client is satisfied, it makes this tedious project all worth the while. Plus, I like to see what the end result is too. Once the angel's body is finished, the wings are added on, and I put them as different sizes, shapes, and different positioning. Once my angels' bodies and wings are in place, then I go forward with putting on the faces or the heads. And for that, I use the mosaic glass gems. I also used varied colors for that, which were a metallic gold, which is from a different project. There was amber. I also used the frosted finish gems. Moving forward, I put felt on the bottom of the foam discs for surface protection. Next, clear mosaic glass gems are added to finish decorating the glass vase. Also guys, I didn't get to show you that to give my centerpiece some height, I added the glass candle holders at the bottom of my centerpiece. And guys, I just wanted to mention that it took 1.5 bags to finish one vase. So that altogether for 10 vases, that was 15 bags of the mosaic glass gems from the Dollar Tree. After the gems are glued in place, I cover them to hold them in place while they dry, because sometimes these gems will pop off if the glue isn't setting fast enough. So in order to keep that from happening, I cover them, make it nice and firm. And here you see I've already glued the glitter foam bases to the bottom of the centerpieces, which is where the floral or the flower arrangements will be done. As per my client, she wanted an arrangement of gold, white, and red poinsettia flowers. That is what I'll be doing throughout the rest of this DIY. As I approach finishing this DIY, I just wanted to get on here and say thank you to all of you who have subscribed to my channel. I am talking about my current viewers and subscribers and my newest subscribers. I thank you guys so much, and I will be doing a giveaway, which I believe I'll be making that next announcement. I know I said it before, but I will be making that announcement on my next video, and then we will be continuing with the future DIY project video. It's the series number 4, and I did start that series. I had put up project number 1, which was the upscale makeover serving tray. So if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out, guys. The link will be in the description below. After adding the floral arrangements to the glitter base of the centerpieces, this is the final result, guys. This is what it is in gold, and I think this is beautiful. All of the arrangements has a little something to bring out the dramatic and to give it sparkle. Tell me, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Also, if you are new to this channel and you have not subscribed yet, but you are a viewer, I suggest that you hit that subscribe button, then tap the notification bell to be informed each time I upload a new video, guys. Don't forget to like and share. And I will see you guys in the next DIY video. Stay tuned for the upcoming 2,000 subscribers giveaway. And don't forget to check out my future DIY project series number 4, the makeover upscale serving tray. Thank you guys again for watching. Bye-bye.